जय भोलेनाथ दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आप ऐसे ही हमारे चैनल के साथ बने रहें, वीडियो के साथ बने रहें। जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, मैं लेटेस्ट अपडेट आपको शिपिंग से रिलेटेड जो भी सर्कुलर या फिर नोटिस आता है आपके सामने लाता हूं। तो ये जो नोटिस है, डायरेक्टरेट जनरल ऑफ शिपिंग मुंबई ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने मर्चेंट शिपिंग नोटिस 10/2024 इशू किया है 30 मई 2024। मतलब लेटेस्ट 2-3 दिन पहले ये सर्कुलर आया है। ये क्या सर्कुलर है या क्या शिपिंग नोटिस है, आपको इस वीडियो में मैं पूरा आपको जो सर्कुलर नोटिस है आपको दिखा रहा हूँ। देखिए, लिखा हुआ है सब्जेक्ट Addendum 1 to MS Notice number 8 of 2023, amendment to the procedure for approval of medical examiner of seafarer as per Rule 4 of MS Medical Examination Rule 2000 registered regarding this Directorate Vice MS Notice 8 of 2023 had revised the parameter for all future approval of medical examiners of seafarer as per the provisions of MS Medical Examination Rule 2000 and in continuation of MS Notice 1 of 2015. Whereas this directorate has received grievance from the medical examiners for seafarer for जो डायरेक्टरेट हैं उनको ग्रीवियंस मिला है मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन, जो सीफेरर का मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन लेते हैं, एग्जाम करते हैं, मेडिकल एग्जामिन करते हैं। क्या उन्होंने किया है, क्या ग्रीवियंस डाला है? वो पहला है prescribing ownership of clinic premises by medical examiners, clause 5B of notice of 8 of 2023, and B prescribing an upper age limit for the examiners। मतलब मेडिकल जो डॉक्टर है उनका अपर एज लिमिट निर्धारित करने के लिए प्रेजेंटली एम्पेल्ड विथ दिस डायरेक्टरेट क्लॉज 5H ऑफ नोटिस 8 ऑफ 2003। क्या है अपर एज करने के लिए? इन लोग बात कर रहा है जो डॉक्टर सीफेरर का मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन करता है। In order to assess the validity of grievance, a virtual meeting of all the industry stakeholders was held on 2nd May 2024, wherein large number of medical examiners from across the country participated. In view of valid submission made in the meeting, it was unanimously decided that there should be no age bar for medical examiners impelled on the date of issuance of MS Notice 8 of 2023। मतलब क्या है कि इन लोगों ने ग्रीवियंस डाला डायरेक्टरेट जनरल ऑफ शिपिंग में कि जो मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन ले रहे हैं सीफेरर का, जो मेडिकल एग्जामिनर्स हैं उनके एज पे कोई वैलिडिटी नहीं हो, और इस चीज के लिए इन्होंने डिसाइड भी किया। In view of the same, this addendum is being issued by the Directorate, which shall be read with Merchant Shipping Notice 8 of 2003, dated 4 July 2023. Additional supervisions to be complied with are as follows. Whereas the prescribed clause 5B of Notice 8 of 2023 mandates a doctor having his own clinic hospital with basic minimum infrastructure requirement, that is waiting area for seafarer, examining room, testing, lab collection of blood and urine sample etc. as per the guidelines of MS Medical Examination Rule 2000. The above paragraph may include the new provisionals as below. The doctor not having their own clinic and working with other clinic in the hospital or doctor employed by a clinic or hospital upon presentation of a valid appointment letter for the respected clinic or hospital or a memorandum of undertaking with a clinic or hospital along with no objection certificate issued by the clinic or hospital is authorized to conduct medical fitness examination for seafarer in the said place. NOC चाहिए उनको या फिर वैलिड अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर चाहिए अगर कोई डॉक्टर किसी सीफेरर का मेडिकल एग्जामिन कर रहा है तो उसके जो डीजी अप्रूव डॉक्टर है उसके थ्रू. Or doctor who has entered into a partnership with a clinic or hospital may present a partnership agreement, appointment letter or authorization letter and or an NOC from the management of the clinic or hospital as acceptable documentation to conduct medical fitness examination for seafarer in the said place. C. The number of approved medical examiners in the clinic or hospital should be limited to a maximum 2. 2 होने चाहिए किसी भी क्लिनिक में या फिर हॉस्पिटल में. Approved doctors are obligated to conduct examination of seafarer exclusively at the address provided to the Directorate General of Shipping at the time of their application for approval as medical examiners. Approval will be revoked if a doctor is found to be examined seafarer at any address other than one registered with the Director General of Shipping as displayed on its official portal. तो बोला जा रहा है कि अगर कोई डॉक्टर जो है अपना रजिस्टर्ड एड्रेस डीजी शिपिंग में कुछ और दिया है और कहीं और किसी और जगह पे अगर वो मेडिकल एग्जामिन कर रहा है तो उसका लाइसेंस जो है रद्द कर दिया जाएगा. In the event of a change of address, the doctor must obtain approval from the office of the Directorate General of Shipping prior commencing the service of the new address in adherence to the provision obtained in Clause B, A, B, C and Clause 5E of Notice 8 of 2023. The owner of the clinic and or hospital shall notify the Directorate within 1 month of notice, 1 month of departure of any doctor from the clinic or hospital. The approved doctor along with the associated liability will be held responsible for any disputes or issue arising from the issuance of medical fitness certificate. Whereas the prescribed clause 5G and 5H of Notice 8 of 2023 establishes an upper age limit for the examiners currently employed with the Directorate. The following raised provisions are to be complied with. The upper age limit of 70 years of renewal of approval shall not be applicable to the medical examiners of seafarer who were are emphasized with this Directorate on the date of issuance of this notice. However, beyond 70 years, they are required to submit only a medical fitness certificate annually from a government-approved hospital, following which is approval shall be withdrawn, suspended. No upper age limit shall be prescribed for renewal of approval by this Directorate existing medical examiners. Any medical examiners who has been adversely affected by Clause 5H of MS Notice 8 of 2023 shall however be continued on the first panel of this Directorate without age bar, subject to providing a certificate of good standing from the appropriate medical council. These doctors need to apply the Directorate of Employment by fulfilling all requirements and guidelines prescribed by the Directorate. The validity period of approval on the panel of the Directorate General of Shipping shall be for a direct duration of 5 years from the date of completion of the familiarization refresher courses or until the expiring of registration with the appropriate medical counsel or upon attaining the age of 75 years whichever occur earlier. Beyond 75 years of age, the approval for the medical examiner will be renewed on an annual basis, subject to the submission of a fitness certificate from a government approved hospital after the completion of 75 years and subject to be satisfactory biannual audit of the clinic and the doctor by the jurisdictional mercantile marine department. This addendum comes in effect immediately from the date of issue. This is issued with the approval of the Directorate General of Shipping. तो ये सर्कुलर है, सीफेरर से नहीं है, लेकिन जो मेडिकल एग्जामिनर हैं उनसे रिलेटेड है. उनका जो वैलिडिटी है मैक्सिमम एज लिमिट 75 इयर्स हो गया है. उसके बाद अगर उनको रिन्यू कराना है तो हर साल उनको अपने गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल से मेडिकल फिटनेस ला के देना पड़ेगा. तो ये है अपना MS नोटिस 8 of 2023 एडेंडम 1. तो कैसा लगा वीडियो आप ज़रूर कमेंट करिए, हमको सपोर्ट कीजिए, वीडियोस को व्यू कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. जय भोलेनाथ, जय शिव शंभर.